Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Nomadic and Denotified Tribes. So let's start the lesson. India is a country with a diverse cultural legacy. The tribes who migrated from one place to another for their own occupation as well as for their livelihood. In the Freedom Revolt of 1857, the nomadic and denotified tribes helped the freedom fighters. Therefore, the British government enacted the Criminal Tribes Act 1871 to separate these castes from other communities. Under this law, the British government falsely accused some caste and declared them as a criminal community. In 1952, the Government of India liberated these nomadic and denotified tribes from the Black Act of Criminal Tribes Act 1871 enacted by the British government. They got the respectable status as denotified tribes. Now the next topic is nomadic and denotified tribes and characteristics and lifestyle. Some tribes constantly moved from one place to another for livelihood, whom we know as nomadic or denotified tribes. These tribes were scattered almost all over India. They made their living by doing small and big occupation. Their life was largely based on forest resources and animal husbandry. Nomadic and denotified tribes roamed far and wide with their animals. They exchanged grains, clothes, utensils, and other items like wool and ghee, etc., from the settled farmers. Some nomadic people loaded goods on animals and moved from one place to another to buy and sell goods. Some nomadic and denotified tribes were associated with trade of sheep, goat, horse, cow, buffalo, donkey, camel, bull, ox, etc. Small and big hawkers of different tribes went from one village to another for selling self-made rope, grass mats, and large bags. Some nomadic denotified tribes included Kangasia, Modwana, were involved in the trade of bangles and cosmetics. A distinctive identity of these tribes was that their language, social affairs, as well as their lifestyle remained identical. Due to lack of stable social system, they lived a life of different level compared to other society. The government has taken special measure for the development of these tribes like Sansi, Kanjar, etc., as well as group like Vanzara, Karakmundi, Haransikari, by including them in nomadic and denotified tribes. For the development and preservation of their culture, the government conducted a special study on them and a detailed report has been prepared in 2008. Attempts have been made to give them human rights by giving them constitutional status of nomadic and denotified tribes. The nomadic tribes of India includes Aghori, Bahurupi, Vanzara, Varanda, Bhamta, Bhovi, Chitodia, Halwa, Irani, Jatigar, Kotwalia, Bairagi, Pardhi, Talwar, Kamti, etc. Nomadic tribes in Gujarat includes Bajania, Garudi, Vanspoda, Vabhaiya, Ravalia, Kangasia, Chamta, Salat, etc. The denotified tribes include Chhara, Duffer, Miana, Wagher, Devi Pujak, Sandhi, etc. The Government of India has made special plans for the development of these tribes by including them in the most backward tribes. These plans include matters to make these groups permanent as they are constantly migrating. Special residential schools and hostels have been set up for their children. We will try to know about the lifestyle of some nomadic and denotified tribes in the context of India and Gujarat. Number 1. Devi Pujak. Among the denotified tribes in Gujarat, Devi Pujak tribe is found in the most part of the state. Along with production and trade of vegetables, these people are found to be involved in some traditional occupation. In this society, due to low standard of education and lack of awareness, superstition, some evil practice are still seen in some place. As a result, poverty is seen in the society. Caste tribunals play an influential role of an arbiter in solving social dispute or family problems in these tribes. As it solves problems, issues related to their internal dispute, their problems are rarely seen in the court. In recent time, as the standard of education has increased in this society, reforms have taken place in economic and social aspects. Now, children, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.